Hi viewers, welcome to the enchanting world of the Trellis Gardens, where beauty and functionality intertwine. A trellis is a structure that supports climbing plants, adding vertical interest and a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. In this video, we will explore the grace and allure of trellis garden, providing insight on design, plant selection, maintenance, and innovative uses of trellises. Let's embark on a journey and discover the captivating charm of these vertical heavens. Number 1. Understanding trellises, a structure of elegance. Trellises are architectural elements made of various materials, such as wood, metal, or vinyl that provide a framework for plants to climb and grow vertically. They come in a wide range of styles and sizes, from simple lattice pattern to intricate designs. These structures not only create a visually appealing focal points but also serve as a functional support system for climbing vines, flowers and vegetables. Number 2. Choosing the right plants for your trellises garden. Selecting the appropriate plants for your trellises garden is essential to achieve a harmonious and flourishing display. Consider the growth and habit and requirements of different climbing plants. Popular choices for trellises include flowering vines like clematis, honeysuckle, and jasmine, as well as edible climbings like tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans. Ensure that the plants you choose are compatible with environmental conditions and level of sunlight available in your garden. Number 3. Designing a stunning trellises garden. Designing a stunning trellises garden involves careful planning and creativity. Here are some tips and ideas to inspire your garden process. Trellises placement. Determine the ideal location for your trellises. Consider factors such as sunlight exposure, visibility, and accessibility. Size and scale. Select a trellis size and scale that complements the proportion of your garden or outdoor space. A well-proportioned trellis will create a sense of balance and harmony. Color combination. Choose plants with flowers or foliage that harmonize with the color palette of your garden. This will create a cohesive and visually pleasing composition. Layering and cascading. Experiment with different plant height and growth patterns to create a layered effect with taller climbs and the back and cascading plants towards the front. Seasonal interest. Select a variety of plants that bloom or change foliage color at different times of the year, ensuring year-round visual interest in your trellises garden. Number 4. Enhancing your outdoor space. Creative uses of trellises. Trellises offer endless opportunities for creativity and can be used in various ways to enhance your outdoor space. Here are some creative uses of trellises. Privacy screen. Place trellises strategically to create natural privacy screens, allowing climbing plants to form a lush green barrier. Outdoor rooms. Use trellises to define outdoor rooms or separate different areas of your garden, adding structure and visual interest. Vertical gardens. Transform a blank wall into a living work of art by installing a trellises and growing a vertical garden with an array of plants. Paragols and arches. Incorporate trellises into paragols and arches, creating inviting entrances or shaded area within your garden. Dividers and borders. Use trellises as dividers or borders between different sections of your garden, providing a sense of structure and organization. Number 5. Maintaining and caring your trellises garden. To keep your trellises garden in optimal condition, regular maintenance is necessary. Here are some essential maintenance tasks. Pruning. Trim and prune your climbing plants to maintain their shapes, promote healthy growth, and prevent them from becoming too dense. Training. Guide the growth of your climbing plants by gently tying them to the trellises as they grow, ensuring they follow the desired pattern. Conclusion. In conclusion, Trellises Garden are captivating addition to any outdoor space, bringing grace, charm, and vertical interest. By selecting the right plants, designing an aesthetically pleasing layout, and providing proper care and maintenance, you can create a trellises garden that exudes beauty and elegance throughout the seasons. Embrace the versatility of trellises and let your garden flourish with the enchanting grace they offer. Thank you for watching.